Good morning, Dave in Kentucky. Some nice Costa Rican coffee. Got my Klein Tool mug, one of my favorites. All right, so today, hey, prop, can we get some more lighting in here? Thank you. There, see the light shining in my eyes? Anyway, we'll try that, see if it works. I can't guarantee that's going to happen every shave. I don't think you can expect any improvement on sound, but anyway. I did have this light, and I thought I'd give it a shot since someone had commented on the lighting. I don't think you see all that much more. Kind of takes shadow off of here. But anyway, let's see what we're shaving with today. Over on Toast 3, that's TOST and the number 3.com. We do Lather Catcher Sunday on the first Sunday of every month. So I'm going to use one of my favorites, Star Super 6. So we'll set this aside over here. And it's really neat. The insignia on the box is on the underside of the cap too. And when I take it apart to clean the blade, I'll try to remember to show you that. So we're going to use that. Have our Star bone handle with a Badger was soaking. And we're using A&E Grecian horse today. So let's go ahead, wet my face a little. And we'll start loading up here. So how's everybody doing today? It's a Sunday morning. Getting ready to go in for the first time in-person services in 2 years. Been doing it on Zoom, so I'm not missing out, but it will be nice to be in person and see everybody in a different way. It's just kind of different, isn't it? But we've done that as an abundance of precaution just to be safe. We think we're ready now to go in person. Beautiful scent, cologne type scent that Peter Shirkalis does in these soaps. No, I don't know what the notes are. I don't know what it's a dupe of. Dave just knows he likes it. Shout out to Fuzzy. Just finished watching a video of his and saw that he had hit 500 subscribers. I know you weren't trying, Fuzzy, any more than I do. But it's an accomplishment, and congratulations. Yes, I rinse my tubs out most times. Try to keep it clean, then I let it dry. That'll probably chafe Fuzzy, but it's just soap if I use a little bit that way. I like to keep it clean in case I decide to pass it on, share it with somebody else. So I'll probably post this video not only on my channel, but over on the Toast 3 YouTube channel, which last look is up to 12 subscribers. Maybe that'll grow as time goes by. We get a lot more content on there. Star Super 6, you know, it's funny, this thing is kind of light, almost sounds tinny, like a tin sound to it. Very light and thin, cheap sounding, but it gives some of the best shaves. This and my other Star Lather Catcher. So it has a gem blade in it. more growth this morning than I have had in a long, long time. And you're saying to yourself, Dave, why? What happened, you know? Well, I tried doing a 2-pass shave with touch-ups yesterday, like Fuzzy does. Dave was not happy. But testing out his theory. Emphasis on the theory, Fuzzy. I'm glad you're happy with those mediocre shaves. I'm kidding. I jest. It just goes to show you the differences in beard hair and growth and all that stuff affects everybody's different, and what they like and want to accomplish with their shave. And the important thing is, it's your shave. Do what you want to do. It's your thing. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't sing. Anyway, do what you want to do with your shave. It's early on a Sunday, 6-ish. And I still have that nasally sound. Anyway, tell me what you think in the comments about the lighting. Is it better with it, without it? Obviously, you can see more with it. I'll try to remember. I don't have 500 subscribers like Fuzzy. I don't work a second job like Fuzzy. Ergo, I don't have the funding that Fuzzy has. Probably has sponsors. You can hire a whole crew to help him out. Get the lighting right, the sound right. I don't know if you pick up that tinny sound or not. Probably not. It sounds not good, whatever. I'll show you what I think causes that. When I take it apart to clean it and show you the logo inside the cap. There we go. So that was my 2-pass, really almost 3 because I come back across there, but we're going to go with our 3rd/4th. To get where we want to be. trying to think that it had something in mind I was going to talk about. I'm not real good at rants like some people are. Not much to tell you about the razor. It just gives extremely smooth, comfortable shaves to me. Like I said, it's the stars are my favorite lather catchers that I have. This one and the other one I have, which I should compare them at some point, side by side. Just a comfortable shave, and it's so close. Not like yesterday's today. Alright, let's get a rinse here. You know, Fuzzy described Toast 3 as, it's not a big form, it's not huge, but there's some fun things there. You guys come, you can make it a larger form, more fun, more entertaining. Come to learn about single edge razors, come to share what information, knowledge you have. So Humphreys. Strictly single edge razors there. And I know Jim Rowe, Jara, he does his lather catcher shave every Sunday, but technically the first Sunday of every month is reserved for Toast 3 to do that together. When we remember, a bunch of old guys that shave, right? Alright, we've got the Grecian horse aftershave as well. Man, nice close shave. Very comfortable. Love the restrictors on these things. Nice narrow one. It doesn't pour out, and at the same time, it's not hard to get it out. Oh, that smells good. Alright, so let me clean the brush real quick. And again, I still can't think of what I was going to talk about. You know what? I'll tell you, I've been using several showers now. I don't video those. I've been using a kit that I got where I got my Williams tub of vintage Williams, probably 50s. Let me dry this. I'll do it here where you can see me. Little towel strap. Wipe it down. Really nice star. It's had another knot put in it, but nice bone handle that's been stabilized because of the cracks in it. In that kit, it had all kinds of stuff. It had Williams blades, the soap, the aftershave, all that stuff came in that kit. It also had some 2 bars of soap, bar soap, pure lanolin soap. I have to say this stuff is like rock hard, but it lathers good, not over lather like the soap, but it gives a nice lather, clean feel. Been enjoying that for the shave, so it came with 2 bars of that to use. The only other thing that it came with that I haven't used, I think I gave to, who was it? Someone on the shave den, I think Big D or something like that. Used a lot of talc. I can't because of my breathing issues. So gifted that to him, but it's got this Williams dental powder. Haven't used that yet. I'm tempted to though. You know, I'm always out for trying something, so I'm not gonna do that on video either. I don't think. Who knows how that'll go, right? Could really go bad. So, almost forgot. I said I'd take apart the razor to clean it. So you pop this off here. You notice the spot here, that hole. Let me get it in the light. It's got this spot here. The thing that holds the blade generally has a little bar there. You push up to hold the blade. I think that was snapped off on this, which is strange because of how beautiful the shape of this thing is in. Only thing I can think of, someone that didn't know what they were doing was trying to force it or something. But anyway, so pop that off, and there's the thing that holds the blade. Push it down. I usually reach in back here to push it up to hold the blade in place. We take that out, and let's rinse that blade. Now, while it is not carbon, I still dry it, generally. And then set it aside there. Let's clean the razor. Any soap. And try to clean that off a little bit so you can see it better. So there's the insignia on the inside, which is pretty cool. It's got the same logo, whatnot, that they have on the inside of the case. So pretty cool. Star Super 6, Camp Brothers, New York, USA. Patent April 14, 1914. So, and you can see the mechanism underneath there. Let me see if I can hold it. Here's the mechanism that goes up and holds the blade. My fingers are in the way. There, you can see it underneath there. All right, so there you have it. Prop boy, get that out of the way. So there you have it. Tell me if you like this lighting. I don't know that I'm going to use it all the time, but, you know, I understand. It gives you a little more, takes away the shadow there. Where are we at? 18 and a half, almost 19 minutes. Great shave today. Again, I'm over on DFS, Damn Fine Shave. On there a lot less, and Toast 3. Had a lot going on, family issues, caring for adult family members. One with dialysis, one with dementia, and then my parents, very aged, and need care as well. So, been chaos lately, so I've been on less. But come and join us over on especially Toast 3. That's TOST and the number 3.com. I'll put a link down below in the description. You'll see that there's not a lot of activity, a lot of visitors, guests come through, but there's a lot of knowledge available there. So the few people that are on there on a regular basis will help you with any questions you have. And you'll see Fuzzy, myself, and Jim Rowe over there who do some videos. Anyway, Dave in Kentucky, have a great day. We're past the April Fool's stuff that was going on. Today's the 3rd. Be kind, be safe out there, and we'll see you on the pages.